Are you ready to start a business but worried about the high costs? What if I told you that you can launch a profitable business with minimal investment this year, even though there are only a few months left? Stay tuned because today I'm sharing 5 low investment business ideas that can change your financial future. Hey everyone, my name is Rifat, and in this channel we talk about personal finance and business strategies, self-improvement, and the practical tips for achieving financial goals and success. Today we are diving into 5 low investment business ideas that you can start in this year. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or full-time venture, these ideas are perfect for getting started this year with minimal upfront costs. So let's jump right in. First up, we have freelance digital marketing services. As businesses increasingly move online, the demand for digital marketing experts continues to grow. You can offer services like social media management, SEO or search engine optimization, and content creation. And guess what's the best part? You can just start with your laptop and an internet connection. Platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, Fiverr will help you to find out the clients and build your portfolio. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This is perfect if you enjoy promoting products or services online. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. It's a great way to monetize your social media accounts or blog without having a handle inventory. Start by signing up for affiliate programs on platforms like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or ShareASale. Start promoting products you genuinely love and trust, and you will soon see commissions rolling in. It's basically a win-win for both you and the companies you promote. Do you ever thought about turning your knowledge into income without leaving your home? Let's dive into our third point, tutoring online. With the rise of online education, there is a growing demand for tutors in various subjects. Whether you are an expert in English, biology, or any other field, you can offer your tutoring services online. Popular platforms like Tutorly, Preply, Wisant, Check Tutors, Teachable, and OutSchool allow you to teach students and earn money. Helping students achieve their academic goals from the comfort of your home is both rewarding and convenient. Imagine running your own online store without the hassle of managing a stock. How good would that be? Here comes our fourth point, dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. You partner with suppliers who handle shipping directly to your customers. You can start a dropshipping store on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce with minimal investment. You just focus on marketing and customer service, and then watch your business thrive. Well, now last but not least, content creation. Whether it's YouTube, blogging, or podcasting, creating content is always a fantastic way to share your knowledge, share your passion and expertise while earning money through ads, sponsorships, and also affiliate marketing. Start with what you have, such as a smartphone and free editing tools, and build from there. Share your knowledge, entertain your audience, and turn your creativity into a profitable venture. So there you have it, 5 low investment business ideas. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comment box below. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.